In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser flickering. If you've been experiencing screen flickering while using the Brave browser, don't worry, this is a fairly common issue, and in many cases, it can be resolved with a simple settings adjustment. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get Brave running smoothly again. To begin, launch the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click this icon to open the browser menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can manage and customize various browser features and performance options. After the Settings page opens, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel containing several categories. From this list, click on System. This section includes settings that control how Brave works with your computer's hardware and system resources, which is exactly where we need to make a change to address the flickering issue. Inside the System section, locate the setting labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature allows Brave to use your computer's graphics hardware to help render web content more efficiently. While this can improve performance in some situations, it may also cause visual issues, such as flickering, screen artifacts, or display instability, particularly if there is a compatibility problem with the graphics driver or hardware configuration. Once you've found this option, click the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature off. Disabling graphics acceleration forces Brave to use an alternative rendering method that is often more stable and can help eliminate display-related problems. As soon as you disable the setting, a relaunch button will appear. Click this button to restart the browser and apply the change. Keep in mind that Brave will automatically close and reopen, so it's a good idea to save any work you have open in browser tabs before continuing. After the browser relaunches, Brave will start with graphics acceleration disabled. In many cases, this adjustment immediately resolves flickering problems and provides a more stable browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully fixed the Brave browser flickering issue by turning off graphics acceleration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.